Hey folks, today we're checking out the sleek rides from Toyota and Lexus, the 2025 Toyota Camry and the 2025 Lexus ES. Both bring style, comfort, and reliability to the table, but one's built for value while the other cranks up the luxury. Is the Camry the smart buy, or is the Lexus worth the extra dough? Let's find out! And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Wow, fuel efficiency. The 2025 Toyota Camry keeps things smart with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid pumping out to 125 horsepower, or 232 if you go for all-wheel drive. Whether you want front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, the sedan delivers. And check out that MPG, 44 to 51 combined. That's practically sipping gas. Prices start at $28,700 and top out at $35,125, making it a great value for a stylish and efficient ride. So fancy! The 2025 Lexus ES steps things up with 3 engine choices. A 2.5-liter inline for making to 103 horsepower, a 2.5-liter hybrid with 215 horsepower, and a big old 3.5-liter V6 cranking out 300 horsepower. You get front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, depending on the trim, with fuel economy ranging from 26 to 44 mpg, but with an MSRP starting at $43,000 to $115 and going up to $50,910. You're paying extra for that Lexus badge and a plush interior. Look at this! The Camry comes with standard wireless charging, fancy heated side mirrors keep things clear in frosty weather, and you even get a whole extra cubic foot of cargo space over the Lexus. That's like an extra box of donuts. The Camry also gets a digital gauge cluster that is either 7 inches or 12.3 inches, while the Lexus only gets a basic LCD display. So, the Lexus gets an automatic opening trunk while the Camry needs manual labor. Front seats only adjust up to 8 ways, while the ES lets you fine-tune things with a 14-way power seat. And all-wheel drive. Not standard here. Meanwhile, the Lexus ES to 50 gives you all-wheel drive right off the bat. Look at those fancy seats. The Lexus ES treats you with standard leatherette trim, while the Camry makes you stick with fabric. You also get a 10-speaker sound system, way better than the Camry's 6 speakers. Gotta hear that sweet sax solo. And if you go for the F-Sport handling trim, you get upgraded styling, a sportier drive, and an adaptive suspension. Oh yeah! Wait a minute! All that luxury. Heated and ventilated seats aren't standard. That's a bummer. Plus, if you want a hybrid or the powerful V6, you're stuck with front-wheel drive. And a hybrid engine. It doesn't even save as much gas as the Camrys. What's up with that? The Camry. It's a bestseller for a reason. Reliable, comfy. And now with a hybrid engine that sips gas like I sip here. Plus, you can even get it with all-wheel drive. Whoa, whoa! It's got the good stuff like heated side mirrors and wireless charging. But let's be real, it's not exactly rolling in luxury like the Lexus. Now, a Lexus ES is a car Mr. Burns might consider buying. It costs more than the Camry and doesn't save as much fuel, but look at those trims. There's one for every kind of buyer. You get extra comfort, tech, and that sweet Japanese luxury. But for the price, it's missing some stuff that should totally be standard. And come on, let's cargo space. So, both of these sedans bring something cool to the table. So which one's the best pick for you? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.